Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add a photo on Instagram. Whether you want to update your profile picture or just change things up a bit, these steps will help you do it seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features available to you. If you haven't opened the app in a while, it might be a good idea to check for any updates to ensure you have the latest features. Next, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your posts and information are displayed. It's the hub for managing your Instagram presence. Now it's time to click and hold on your profile photo. This action will prompt a menu to appear, giving you options related to your profile picture. It's a straightforward way to access the editing features without navigating through multiple menus. Once the menu appears, click on the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil or similar symbol. This will lead you to another option where you can choose from library. This is where you can select any image from your device's photo library that you want to use as your new profile picture. After selecting your desired photo, make sure everything looks good by reviewing it. When you're satisfied with your choice, simply click Done. This finalizes the change and updates your profile picture instantly. And there you have it. Updating your Instagram photo is that simple. Remember that having a fresh profile picture can keep your account looking vibrant and engaging for your followers. Whether it's a new selfie or an artistic shot, make sure it reflects who you are or what you love. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Happy Instagramming.